So right now we're in the SMS Bump Shopify app dashboard, and here are the results from the last 7 days. So I spent barely $1 and made $2,000 from this app. So the return, like the ROI, like the return on investment is just crazy. It's over 200,000%, which is unheard of. Like when you use like abandoned cart email app, for example Klaviyo, it's not gonna have like this crazy ROI. When you use like Recart or like Shop Message, it's not gonna be. It's for like Messenger abandoned cart messages, and it's not gonna perform as well. It's not gonna give you such crazy ROI. And those apps like Klaviyo, I pay like $600 per month just for Klaviyo. For Shop Message, I think I spent like 50 to 75 bucks per month, maybe a little bit more. So those apps are very expensive. But what I really like about Shop Message, what I really love about SMS Bump is like how accessible it is. It's good for beginners. It's very cheap for beginners, and it's also very good for intermediate people, and it's very good for people who are scaling. So I also want to show you guys like the results from the last 30 days. So the last 30 days, it is almost $4,000, and I just spent barely $2 on this app. So I'm gonna show you guys like how do I set up the app. So basically we go to automations, and here we set up the abandoned cart. And as you guys can see, the first message made all the money. The second one isn't performing well, and the third one, like I don't even bother. I don't even send that. So mainly I'm focusing on this one, and yeah, I'm gonna show you how I set up this message. Okay, so basically you put 5 minutes for it to send after 5 minutes after abandoning the cart, or it's not cart but abandoning the checkout. And then what else is here? So then there's a text. So you just go to this video's description and you copy paste the message, copy paste it here. It's gonna be without a stop, so you copy paste it and then you click on add stop. And this is a way how your customers can opt out. So if they don't enjoy your messages, you're giving them a way how they can unsubscribe. So this is very important because you don't wanna annoy your customers. So this setup, those two messages. The second message, I also include a discount code. Even though it has a discount, you guys can see it's not performing well. So it's up to you if you want to use it or not. But the template is provided in the description. So that setup is going to take you like 2 minutes, right? And then you also follow the best practices. So you just follow the guidelines here. Basically, it's going to probably take you like 5 to 10 minutes to set up. So the whole app, let's say it's going to take you like 15 minutes to set up, and you're good to go. And because I want to be really transparent with you guys, right? Because I'm giving you guys an affiliate link. So in this case, I just want to be really transparent. Like, I'm not doing this to make money. I'm not here to promote the affiliate deal, because as you guys can see, I'm making like a $1 per person basically. So I'm not doing this for making money, because like $8 is just nothing, right? So I'm not doing this to make money. Why I'm doing this is to give you guys as much value as possible. I just want to really want to help you guys as much as possible. And what I also have for you guys is an exclusive link. So if you download the app by yourself, you're gonna get 30 cents credit for free. But if you use my link, you're gonna get $3 as like a sign up bonus credit, right? So $3. And as you guys can see, $3 is gonna take you a long way, a long way. So as you guys can see, I spent just $1.7, less than $2, and made $4,000 back, right? $4,000 back with this. So I hope you guys really appreciate the bonus, like the $3 credit, which you can use this app for free for a long time, for months basically. And also the templates, the copy paste templates. I hope you guys really appreciate the value that I'm giving you guys. Like if you enjoy the value I'm giving, please make sure to share my videos, share my YouTube channel with other friends who are into e-commerce. Make sure to comment down below, and subscribe. It really helps me grow. That is a really good way how you can give back to me, is by just engaging, sharing with your friends, and just showing to people. Also a quick reminder, if you have forgotten about the giveaway, so basically the giveaway is still running. The winner is going to be announced on the 8th of February, and 3 people are going to win coaching calls. 1 person is going to win a Ricky Hayes course, and 2 people are going to get $50 to their PayPal basically. So huge prices. That's the biggest giveaway that I've run. I'm probably gonna take a break from giveaways, guys. It just have been like so many giveaways.